Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Still on the ultimate love show. Would your father accept me? Rosie asks Kachi. The ultimate love reality television show, as we understand, will round up in about 2 weeks from now, April 4th to be precise, and the reality is beginning to stir the love guests as they discuss what an outside world will hold for them. So this afternoon in the love part, Rosie asks her partner Kachi an important question about meeting their parents once they depart from the ultimate love reality television show. She asks Kachi about his parents and why he does not usually talk about his father except his mom. Kachi explained that he is more close to his mother than his father, even though the relationship with his dad is cordial. Rosie then asks Kachi, "Would your father accept me if he sees me?" Kachi answers that why not? He seems to be very sure that his parents will not cause any problem at all. Okay? We hope so. We hope this relationship end well. Okay guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when it's still drop.